How to send money on Chime to anyone. Hello everybody. In this video we are going to teach you, so without any delay let's start. For example, let's say Cash App. So in order to do so, you may open up your Cash App application. After that, once you are logged in, you may tap on the profile icon at the top right. Go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on it, here you will be finding your balance tab. Along with that, we have different options available called linked accounts as well. You may click on linked accounts. After clicking on linked accounts, you will be finding option of link debit card option. So all you gotta do is simply tap on it, and then it gives you option to add up your Chime credentials. So all you gotta do is simply enter up your credentials of your Chime account, the expiration date, and the 3-digit CVV. Along with that, the zip code, and tap on link card. Once that is done, all you need to do is simply add cash to your Cash App using the debit card of Chime, and that's it. You may also follow the similar process for other bank accounts as well and add money from Chime to anyone. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.